Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the 21st day of January. It is the coldest morning of the winter so far, and I think we'll be at least this cold tomorrow morning at this time. And there's just enough wind to add a little bite to the air. It's not a big wind, but it is certainly a cold morning, so dress in layers this morning. On this video, how long will the Arctic cold last? We'll take a look ahead to moderation late in the week, another late week storm system coming in. Will there be any thunder with this storm system, and will it move out of the way by the weekend? Let's get into the details this morning. Glad you're here.
It is a cold morning from central Florida to the Ohio Valley, all the way up to the Canadian border. This is wind chill. I see a minus 24 up there in Minnesota. Wow. Cold air covering the entire eastern half of the nation today. We see the next storm system out there in the Rockies that will be coming in late in the week. We had a high of 47 yesterday. I think we'll be in the same general neighborhood today, maybe mid-40s in central Alabama, upper 40s in south Alabama, and just enough of a wind out of the north at 7 to 15 miles per hour to add a bite to the air, you know what I mean? And tonight's low back to frigid territory. We're down to 23 late tonight, first thing in the morning. So a very cold start tomorrow morning right around dawn, but a cool day. We're into the low 50s by afternoon, but we're dry. Thursday is mostly dry, but maybe a late day shower, but a better chance of rain, I think, as that front approaches Thursday night with showers and maybe a thunderstorm through the overnight hours. This is moving at a pretty good clip. It's still around Friday morning at 6 a.m., but I think it kind of moves out of the way quickly, and that sets the stage for a nice weekend. So by, let's say, Friday afternoon at 3 p.m., the front has made it into Georgia, and we're into the nicer air behind the front. Not particularly cold this time. I think we're in the middle 50s on Saturday at least. So fairly mild for this time of the year, close to normal. And then maybe upper 50s on Sunday after a start in the 30s on Sunday morning. So let's review. 23 or 24 tomorrow morning, somewhere in that neighborhood. 52 is your high on Wednesday afternoon. A little warmer Thursday, but maybe some showers and maybe a thunderstorm Thursday night into Friday. And then in the 50s over the weekend, but a dry weekend and not particularly cold. Actually, very close to seasonal normal for this time of the year. We're looking ahead. This is 9 days out. Wednesday, January 30th, another substantial storm system with showers and thunderstorms. We don't know if that'll be a severe weather situation yet. Here's a nice warm thought on a cold morning. We're 58 days to the vernal equinox. Spring begins on March 19th at 10:50 p.m. And by the way, it's a cold January 21st this morning, but it's not the coldest I've ever covered for you. 35 years ago today, it was zero, coldest ever in the 20th century, and wind chill minus 15 here in Montgomery, Alabama, with snow flurries. I covered it for you 35 years ago today. I was a lot younger then.
Yeah, so I was about 6 years old when I covered that for you. Right. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Live on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network, on Alabama Rising this morning as well, and another video for you. First thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. when it will be just as cold as it is now. Bailey, what are you doing out there? Come into the warmth here. Have a great day today. Your forecast whenever you want it on the Blue Water family of stations. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.